Guys, Facebook is banning dropshippers right now, so watch this video to learn how you can make money with Facebook without getting banned.
I work hard every motherfucking
What's up, guys? I'm Chris, also known as King, and real quick, I just wanted to shout out Andrew, who just recently hit his first $1,000 day at 45% profit. And so guys, if any of you are struggling at all or just want to keep learning, make sure to go click the first link in the description to see me scale a new store to over 120,000 in the first 6 days. But I just want to make this video really quickly just because most videos out there on this topic, either there aren't that many or they're just plain boring. And so I'm going to make this one really short, concise, and straight to the point to give you guys as much value as possible. So part one is going to be ban prevention. So how to prevent your ad accounts, your ads, your personal account, and everything from getting banned. And then part two is going to be talking about what you can do if you get banned, how to reactivate your account, how to reactivate your ads, and so on. So in terms of prevention, the first thing you guys want to do is create as many ad accounts and business managers as possible. A lot of you probably already know that you can create multiple ad accounts, up to 10 or more in one single business manager, but a lot of you probably didn't know that you can create multiple business managers. And it's very common for an ad account to get disabled, but it's a lot more rare for your entire business manager or your personal account to get disabled, but it is happening a lot recently, especially to a lot of other dropshippers. So guys, just in terms of preventing and prepping for getting banned, you do want to create as many business managers and ad accounts as possible. Another thing you want to do that a lot of you probably have never even thought of is you want to delete any ads that have gotten disapproved in the past. You also want to delete any campaigns or ads or ad sets that aren't running. You know, maybe they spent $10 to $20 and you decided to turn them off. Well, instead of just turning off your ad sets, you're better off just deleting them, because whenever you stack up a lot of ad sets or ads or campaigns that are turned off or, you know, even disabled, Facebook over time will see that and it'll be kind of a red flag, and then you'll get put into manual review. At that point, anytime you want to launch a new campaign or new ad or anything, someone will have to manually review your ads for you, and so it'll be a lot longer of a process to get approved to be able to start running ads. Another simple thing is use a VPN when you travel. I use NordVPN whenever I travel, just because when Facebook sees like, oh, you were advertising within America yesterday, but now you're advertising within Asia or United Kingdom or something like that, they're going to disable your account and make you do like a security privacy check just to make sure you are who you really are. And so a quick way to avoid that so they don't pause your ads and everything is just using a VPN so it always looks like you're advertising from the same country. Another stupid simple one is have multiple payment methods set up. You guys don't want to get caught with hitting your credit card limit or debit limit that day, because then if you don't have another credit or debit card in your account, then it won't be able to charge you, so it will pause all of your ads. Even if you do have the money, you just hit your credit card limit. And so then a lot of times that could de-optimize your entire campaigns and you might not be able to get that product profitable again. So guys, have multiple credit cards, debit cards. I suggest at least having 2 in your ad accounts that you're running currently. And that's just a small one that a lot of people really overlook that can make a huge deal. And in terms of your ads and preventing them from getting disabled, when you get a lot of ads disapproved or disabled over time, Facebook is going to take a closer look at your ad account every single time that happens. And so a way to kind of get around that and not get disapproved as often is you don't want to advertise major claims like lose weight overnight or whiter teeth in 10 minutes or anything like that, because Facebook wants a positive experience for the people on the platform. And so if you're advertising something that's a major claim that probably won't be fulfilled, Facebook just won't allow it. They will disable your ads and potentially your entire account. All right, for those of you that have had an ad account disabled in the past or currently have one disabled, pay attention to this part. So if you have an ad account disabled right now, you want to figure out the exact reason your ad account get disabled or banned. A lot of times you can talk to Facebook chat directly and ask them, hey, why did this get disabled? And if it's just your ad, you can actually ask them, hey, like what time segment or what words am I using that got this disabled? And then you could fix them a lot quicker. But if your entire ad account or business manager or anything like that got disabled from advertising, it's a lot more serious. So like I said, you want to figure out the exact reason that it got disabled, and then you want to write Facebook a long sappy message to appeal it, and you want to take full responsibility for it. And whenever you guys write this appeal to Facebook, you need to write the message like you're trying to get your animal to love you again after you stepped on it. And honestly guys, if they don't appeal your request to approve, you can try it multiple times if it's just an ad account or an ad, but other than that, there's really not much else you can do. If you keep requesting review over and over again and it keeps getting disabled, then your entire ad account or business manager could get disabled. So I wouldn't do it more than 3, 4, or 5 times or anything like that if it's just your ad account. Now, whether or not you did get your ad account back, one thing you don't want to do, whether you got your business manager disabled, your personal account disabled, your ad account disabled, anything like that, you do not want to use the same payment methods on a different account. Because if one ad account gets disabled and you use your same payment methods on your new ad account to start advertising again, typically they'll automatically shut you down. And if they don't, then they will give you lower quality traffic, just because in the past past, your ad account that was associated with that payment method didn't perform well, so they're not going to give you higher quality traffic, so you probably won't be able to profit. And overall, it's really nothing crazy that you need to worry about, because no matter what, whether your entire personal account gets banned or your ad account gets disabled or your ads get disapproved, it's okay. Yes, it will make you feel some type of way emotionally, but no matter what, there's always going to be a way to keep making money with Facebook, whether that's using your mom's business manager or your sister's or anything like that. There's always a solution. But overall, I just wanted to make this video quick and simple. It's not a crazy in-depth one. I just wanted to help some of you guys that haven't been in the situation yet to prevent it, and if you have anything disabled now, I just wanted to break down how to get out of it. But for a more in-depth guide on how to keep your Facebook account and everything in good standing to keep advertising, you can go to one of the links in the description. I've listed a few articles that you can read there to see how to prevent your ad accounts and everything from getting disapproved and how to get them reactivated if they did. But anyways, guys, like I said, quick and simple. If you have any questions for me or video topics you want to see in the future, make sure to comment them down below. If you did get some value out of it, smash a like real quick, just because that tells me that you like the content and I need to keep making more. But anyways, that's all for this one. Hope you guys liked it. The King is out.